Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to go over the steps you can take to become a web developer in 2023. With the rise of technology, now is a great time to start your journey in this field. First, let's talk about the essential skills you need to have. You should have a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web. Next, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with front-end frameworks such as React or Angular. These frameworks help you build dynamic and interactive user interfaces. You'll also need to have knowledge of a back-end programming language like Node.js, Ruby on Rails, or Python. This will allow you to build server-side applications to handle requests from the front end. It's also important to be familiar with version control systems, such as Git, to manage code changes and collaborate with others on projects. Last but not least, don't forget to network with other web developers. Good luck, and happy coding!